In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an entire website with ChatGPT, no coding. We'll go from planning your pages, to generating all the copy with AI, to building the site with an AI website generator, and finally publishing it live. First, let's plan your website. Decide the main goal of your site. Are you selling a service, showcasing a portfolio, or collecting leads? Identify your audience and the outcome you want for them. Sketch a simple site map with the essential pages like home, about, services or products, testimonials, and contact. Jot down what each page should accomplish and the action you want visitors to take, such as booking a call or subscribing. Think about your brand voice: friendly, expert, bold, and gather any existing assets like a logo and images. A quick wireframe or list of sections for each page helps AI stay consistent. Hero headline, benefits, social proof, details, and a clear call to action. Next, generate your copy with ChatGPT. Start with a clear brief. Describe your business, your audience, the tone, and your key differentiators. Ask for page-by-page copy, including headlines, subheads, short paragraphs, bullet alternatives like concise sentences, and strong calls to action. Request variations for headlines and hero text so you can test what resonates. Have ChatGPT produce FAQs, microcopy for buttons and forms, and meta titles and descriptions for SEO. Iterate by asking it to simplify language, make benefits more concrete, or match your brand's personality. Keep paragraphs short, avoid jargon, and ensure every page points to a single primary action. Now build with an AI website generator. Choose a no-code builder that lets you describe your site and import your copy. Select a clean template, paste in your headlines and sections, and customize colors and fonts to match your brand. Use pre-built blocks like hero, features, pricing, and testimonials to speed things up, and check the mobile preview as you go. Keep accessibility in mind with good color contrast and readable text sizes. Add navigation that's simple and consistent, and a footer with basic info and links. Optimize images for fast loading and connect your forms to your preferred email or CRM so inquiries reach you reliably. Finally, publish and launch. Set your domain, add page titles and meta descriptions, upload a site favicon and social share images, and include alt text for important visuals. Test every link, form, and button on desktop and mobile. When everything looks good, hit publish. After launch, monitor analytics, note where visitors drop off, and use ChatGPT to refine sections, headlines, or FAQs. Keep iterating, and your no-code AI-powered website will just keep getting better.